A problem that I used to struggle with is when I was trading is to know what my lot size should be in order to achieve the proper risk um, that I would like, given the number of points that I'm risking in the trade. So I figured that it would be simple to write a short program that can easily tell me what I should make my lot size so that I can achieve a specific rand value of risk within the number of points to my stop loss. So I worked through the math, and essentially if we understand what the risk for 1 point is for one lot size, then we can extrapolate from that what our risk should be for any lot size and for any number of points. So at one lot, 1 point would risk 14 Rand 61 cents. So based on that, we can start implementing the math into the program, so that all we as the end user need to do is input the number of points to the stop loss and input the value of the risk that we would like to take for that trade. So first we need to declare some variables. Firstly, for the value of the risk, we're going to declare an integer. We can call that risk, and the reason I'm declaring it as an integer is because I don't suppose that many people would be looking at their risk in terms of cents. So I'm just looking for a round figure like 2,000, 5,000, 1,500. And then I need to declare what the number of points is, which would also be an integer. I'll just call that stop loss points. Now after I've done that, then we need to get into the maths. So it's a very simple equation. All we would do, we've got on top here, we need to actually declare the rand value or the risk for 1 point at one stop loss. So we can call that a float. Let's say that risk per lot, and that equals 14.61 cents. Now all we need to do is to do the maths, and so basically we need to divide our risk value by the number of points, and that will give us the risk value per point for the lot size that we need. So let's make that a float. We can call that risk per, or let's just call that show lot risk, and that would be our risk divided by the stop loss points. One more integer or one more variable we need to declare, and then this would get us to our lot size. So that would be, let's call that actual lot, and that would be the value of the actual, the value of 1 point, the value of the risk of 1 point for our actual lot divided by the value of the risk of 1 point for one lot. if that makes sense. So basically that would be our actual lot risk divided by risk per lot, and then we should be able to print. So the actual lot here is the value that we're looking for. It will give us what our actual lot should be. So you can print here should use a lot size of percentage %f in order to a maximum shape risk of percentage %i. And for the first we can use actual lot, and then we can use risk. And that should pretty much give us the lot size that we should use when taking the trade. Check that everything's in order. Okay, let's see this. Okay, that's good. Risk value. How many points do you stop loss? Let's say 126. And as we can see, the program suggests that we should use stop loss size of 1.03 if we round up in order to achieve a maximum trade risk of 2000. Perhaps we should put, considering that we are using rand, let's say 95. Okay, so I've checked this, and that lot size does check out. So if we use if we put in our points to the stop loss, we put in the maximum value of the risk that we would like to take for the trade, the program would suggest the proper lot size that you should take.